Hello and welcome back to our little garden. I'm so happy to have you here today. Roses, they are the flowers of love and elegance, aren't they? Every delicate petal tells a story of sunshine and rain. They are beautiful not just when they bloom, but from the very beginning. Gentle and quiet. If you love plants as much as I do, please consider subscribing to our channel, HH Beauty Garden, so you don't miss out on more wonderful tips from nature. You can also leave a comment below and let me know your favorite type of rose. Today we're going to talk about a magical way to help your roses grow strong and healthy using some very familiar ingredients. We're going to use a special miracle potion to help new rose branches root and bloom forever. Let's begin. Step 1. Choose and prepare your rose branch. First, find a healthy, young rose branch on your plant. Use a sharp, clean pair of scissors to cut it about 15 centimeters long. After cutting, it is very important to keep the branch safe from infection. Dip the cut end into a mild disinfectant solution or wipe it gently with alcohol. This simple step helps sterilize the wound, prevents bacteria or fungi from entering, and gives your cutting the best chance to grow healthy roots. Then, carefully remove all the leaves from the branch. Without leaves, the branch will focus all of its energy on growing new roots instead of feeding the leaves. Bạn có muốn mình viết thêm một phiên bản thay thế cho dung dịch khử trùng, ví dụ dùng nước muối loãng, hydrogen peroxide hoặc quế xay, để bạn có nhiều lựa chọn tự nhiên hơn không? Step 2. Prepare the rooting solution. For this part, you'll need 3 simple ingredients. Take 1 carrot, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Carrots are rich in vitamins and nutrients that nourish the roots. Next, add 2 thinly sliced cloves of garlic. Garlic is a natural shield. It kills fungi and bacteria, protecting your branch from disease. Then squeeze just a few drops of lemon juice. Lemon helps stimulate cell growth and root formation. Finally, add about 50 milliliters of clean water and stir everything together. This mixture is a little miracle potion, giving your rose cuttings the best start. Step 3. Soak and prepare the cuttings. Dip the cut end of your rose branch into the solution for about 15 minutes. While it's soaking, take the rest of your carrot and cut it in half. Make a small hole in one half, just big enough to insert the rose branch. The carrot will act as a soft, moist bed for the cutting, preventing rot and keeping it strong. Step 4. Prepare the planting medium. Take a plastic cup and place a few layers of toilet paper inside. The paper will hold moisture like morning dew, creating a perfect nursery for roots. Remove the carrot, garlic, and lemon pulp from your solution, keeping only the liquid. Lightly sprinkle this liquid onto the paper to moisten it. Step 5. Plant the cutting. Now, take your rose branch out of the liquid. Insert the cut end into the hole in the carrot half. Place it into the prepared cup with the moist paper. Gently press the paper around the base to hold it in place. Make sure about half of the cutting is inside the cup. The bottom half is for roots. The top half is for new shoots to grow. Step 6. Create a mini greenhouse. Cover the cup with a plastic bag, sealing it with tape or glue. This bag works like a tiny greenhouse, keeping in moisture and warmth. Place your cup in a cool area away from direct sunlight and wait. Step 7. Watch for growth. After about 5 days, you'll see condensation on the inside of the bag. That's a wonderful sign of life. Open the cup gently. You should see small green sprouts and fresh white roots. This means you have succeeded. Step 8. Transplant the new rose bush. Prepare a small pot with processed coconut fiber. Insert your rooted branch into the fiber, water it lightly, and place it in a shady spot. Coconut fiber is soft and kind, just like a mother's heart. It will keep your new plant moist and cool. Good luck with your new flowers. I can't wait to see them. Until next time, see you in the garden.